The weather was pretty quiet across northern and central Minnesota today, but as we head into tomorrow, it's going to take on a completely different feel. A large winter storm is moving in our direction, and that could mean some very significant snowfall in parts of the area as we head through late tomorrow and into Wednesday. Parts of central Minnesota could see a foot or more of snow. In addition, winds picking up could create blowing and drifting snow tomorrow night and Wednesday morning. So a big system moving in, the biggest of the season. And again, it could mean some significant snow. We will talk about that in a second. First, our current conditions. In Brainerd, it's cloudy this evening, 18 degrees. The dew point is at 10 with calm winds. Bemidji is also seeing cloudy skies. It's 10 degrees. 5 is the dew point. Winds are also calm in Bemidji. Our temps around Minnesota tonight, some cool air in place across the northwest. That's been the story throughout the day. Temperatures still in the single digits, 3 in Fosston, 9 in Roseau. A little bit warmer as we head farther away from that. We still have 21 in Little Falls. Now, as I mentioned, that big winter storm is set to move in tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. A number of warnings and watches in effect as a result of that. Parts of western Minnesota in our viewing area under a blizzard watch. Again, this is for tomorrow evening through Wednesday evening. Just to the east of that, much of eastern Minnesota under a winter storm warning, pretty much for that same time period, 6 p.m. tomorrow through 6 p.m. Wednesday. And then to the north of that, the Bemidji area, Grand Rapids area, and other northern counties, a winter storm watch. Same time period. Basically what we're looking at is some significant snow moving in, and here's kind of the breakdown of what we're looking at. The greatest potential for a foot of snow or more lies across much of central Minnesota, north of the Twin Cities, through the Brainerd Lakes area, southern Cass County. You can see Wadena County, southern Aiken also included in that range. Just to the north of that, that's the greatest potential for 6 or more inches of snowfall, and that basically follows the Highway 2 corridor area south of that, with much of northern Minnesota looking at about 2 to 5 inches of snow. Now, in addition to that, we're going to be seeing the winds picking up, and that's going to impact much of western Minnesota. So blizzard conditions possible Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday morning in that region, blowing and drifting snow. We could be seeing near zero visibility, so some travel difficulties as a result of this system as, again, we move into the next day or so into Tuesday into Wednesday. Finally, by late Wednesday into Wednesday night, that storm should move out, and we'll see exactly what we got out of that. Quick check-in with the Eagle Eyes tonight. Dewey and Park Rapids seeing mostly sunny skies with a high of 27. Bob and Bluffton also some sunshine. 2 inches of snow over the weekend with a high of 20. In Deer Lake, Don Drew seeing about 6.5 inches of snow this weekend. 18 the high today. Josh and Fort Ripley mostly sunny today. Half inch of snow overnight. 25 for the high. The Almanac, again, some slightly cooler than normal temperatures as far as our highs go. 26 the high in Brainerd, 5 degrees below average, 14 the low. Sunset at 1 minute before 6. Bemidji today topping out at 21, 8 degrees below the normal, 5 for the low, and 7:05 our sunrise. Radar picture pretty quiet today. We do have a slight chance of some light snow as we head into the overnight hours. You can see some of the precipitation beginning to affect western and southwestern Minnesota tonight. But overall, tonight's looking pretty quiet, and we're going to start the day tomorrow with just that smaller chance of snow. By the afternoon, that snow should really be picking up as that system lifts northward. About a 20 to 40% chance of snow across most of northern Minnesota. That picks up around the Park Rapids area. And there you can see highs in the upper 20s to low 30s. Looks like low to mid 30s in the central part of the state, but definitely a bigger chance of seeing some snow, maybe 1 to 3 inches of snowfall for tomorrow. And there again, you can see a near 100% chance of snow near the Wadena area. So our forecast, as we look at tonight, partly to mostly cloudy skies with that slight chance of light snow, lows near 12. And tomorrow, again, the snow begins to move in. Likely in central Minnesota, a chance for snow in the north with highs near 32. Now, as we take a look at the extended forecast, tomorrow night, heavy snow is possible. That snow continues into Wednesday with blowing and drifting snow as well. Highs should continue to be in the low to mid 30s as we head into the end of the week. A little bit unsettled, but at least a smaller chance of snow Thursday through Saturday. Sunday's finally looking dry. Highs should continue to reach at least the mid to upper 20s with lows near 9 on Sunday morning.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.